Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw a kawaii pumpkin. This is Halloween drawings, and we're gonna use some colored pencils as well as a marker. We're mostly gonna use a marker. Hopefully this will be easy and fast, and it's step by step. If you have any trouble, please rewind the video. Pause as you need it. I don't want anybody to struggle, so say hi to me in the comments, guys. Ready? Let's do this. It's gonna be pretty easy. I'm gonna draw a straight line across, round out the corner here, round out, it's like a square but rounded corners. Really easy, right? Stem up the middle and make that, give it thickness. Half circle here, half circle here for the eyes, and I'm going to fill that in because they're supposed to be negative shapes. Moving across, giving it a bit of a tooth shape, and then another tooth shape at the bottom. Filling that in, that's going to be a negative shape, that's the mouth. Triangle in the middle of the face. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw lines for the texture because it's supposed to be a pumpkin, so I'm going to draw them downward. And since I have no highlight, I can pretty much draw through the form. I'm going to try to make those lines a little bit thinner than the other lines. And now the next thing I'm going to grab the colored pencil. I'm going to grab the orange here, and I am going to fill this in pretty flat. Nothing too complicated, just filling it in flat. Don't worry, this is pretty easy. Be careful. I'm just doing it fast for the demo, so I don't have to make you guys wait. Then I'm going to grab the green over here for the stem. Color that in pretty flatly as well. And let me look at it far away. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate you so much. Have a nice day, and I hope you're doing well. So, also, happy Halloween, guys. Share the video. Let's start the Halloween spirit up. I'm going to be drawing a Halloween drawing every single day until Halloween. Don't forget to check out and pick up a copy of my sketchbook. My my art book has all my private drawings in there, and I'm going to put them for a limited time up for sale. So really cheap. It's under $20. It's about $15. So go check that out and pick it up, and I'll see you guys soon.